Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at the CMS 64GB DDR3 ECC registered memory kit, specifically designed for HP compact ProLine servers like the DL360G7, DL360E Gen 8, DL360P Gen 8, DL370G6, and DL380G6. If you're running any of these machines, you know how crucial reliable memory is for performance and stability. This kit comes as a 4x16GB configuration, totaling 64GB of ECC registered DMM memory. ECC, or error correcting code, is vital for server environments as it detects and corrects memory errors on the fly, preventing crashes and data corruption. This is especially important for servers handling critical applications and data. The memory operates at DDR3-10600, which translates to 1,333 MHz. While not the fastest DDR3 speed available, it's perfectly suited for the older generation servers this kit is designed for. It strikes a good balance between performance and compatibility. Computer Memory Solutions guarantees compatibility with the specified ProLine models, which is a huge plus. There's nothing worse than buying memory and finding out it doesn't work with your system. They take the guesswork out of the equation. The product appearance may vary from the picture, but that's not a major concern. What matters is the functionality and reliability. Speaking of which, Computer Memory Solutions offers a limited lifetime warranty against manufacturing defects when purchased directly from them, providing peace of mind. Upgrading your server's memory is one of the most effective ways to improve performance, especially when dealing with virtualization, databases, or other memory-intensive workloads. This 64GB kit can breathe new life into your older ProLine servers, allowing you to run more virtual machines, handle larger datasets, and improve overall system responsiveness. While this memory is specifically targeted at older HP compact ProLine servers, it's a worthwhile investment if you're looking to extend the lifespan and improve the performance of these machines. The ECC registered feature, guaranteed compatibility, and lifetime warranty make it a compelling option. Just make sure to verify that your specific server model is listed as compatible before purchasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.